Hello everyone, welcome to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we shall take linear inequality statement questions. First question, find all pairs of find all pairs of consecutive odd natural numbers consecutive odd natural numbers natural numbers both of which are both of which are both of which are larger than 10 such that their sum is less than 40 solution. Let x be the smaller of the two consecutive natural numbers. Let x be the smallest of the two consecutive odd natural numbers. So that the other one is x plus 2, which implies, according to question, x is greater than 10, x plus 2 is less than 40. This is number second. From second, x plus 2 less than 40, which implies 2x less than 40 minus 2, 2x less than 38, x is less than 38 by 2. This implies x is less than 19. Therefore, x is less than 90. This is number 3. From first and third, we have x greater than 10 and x less than 19 means 10 less than x less than 19. Therefore, since x is an odd natural number, therefore x is equal to the natural numbers between 10, odd natural numbers between 10 and 19 are 11, 13, 15 and 17. So, the required possible pairs pairs are 11, 13, 13, 15, 15, 17, and 17, 19. We can check that the number is greater than 10 and their sum is less than 40. Then we take second question. Second question, find all pairs of consecutive even positive integers both of which are larger than 5 such that their sum is less than 23, such that their sum is less than 23. Solution. Let smaller of the two consecutive even positive integers is 2x. Therefore, the other one is 2x plus 2. According to question, both of these are larger than 5. Therefore, according to question, 2x is greater than 5. 2x is greater than 5, which implies x is greater than 5 by 2. X greater than 2.5. This is number 1. And their sum is less than 23. And 2x plus 2 is less than 23. This is second. From second, we have 2x plus 2 is less than 23, which will give you 4x less than 23 minus 2. So 4x is less than 21 and x is less than 21 over 4. This means x is less than 5.25. This is number 3. From first and third, we have 2.5 less than x less than 5.25. Since x is an even integer, even positive integer, therefore x is equal to x is 3, 4, 5. So 2x is 6, 8, 10. Therefore, the possible pairs of even positive consecutive integers are 6, 8, 8, 10, 6, 8, 8, 10, 10, 12. We can see that the numbers are greater than 5 and their sum is less than 23. Third question, it's a practice question. You will do it in the same way as these questions we have done this. Find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers consecutive odd positive integers, both of which are smaller than 10, and their sum is more than 11. So you will do it in the same way and its answer will be given in the comment. So that's all. In the next video, we shall take more important statement questions of linear inequalities. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the Mathematics for Everyone. Thank you. See you in the next video.